Good day, everyone. Ever wondered about that unique and immutable data type in JavaScript called symbols? If you're scratching your head, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what symbols are and how they function in JavaScript. Symbols, a new primitive data type, made its debut in ECMAScript 6, popularly known as ES6. Now, what makes symbols stand out? Well, each symbol value is unique. Yes, even if two symbols carry the same description, they are still distinct. This uniqueness of symbols is what makes them a perfect fit for identifying object properties. But that's not all. Symbols are also immutable, meaning they cannot be changed or modified once created. This immutability, coupled with their uniqueness, makes symbols a safe and secure way of identifying properties in an object. So how do we use symbols as object keys? It's quite straightforward. You create a symbol, and then you use it as a key for your object property. This process ensures that your object property has a unique identifier, which completely eliminates the risk of naming collisions within your object properties. But what about sharing symbols across different parts of your application? That's where the symbol registry comes into play. You can register symbols in the symbol registry, which allows you to share them across your entire application. Symbols can also carry an optional description. This description is a string that helps you identify the symbol. However, it's important to note that this description doesn't affect the uniqueness of the symbol. It's mainly for debugging purposes. Here's a quick recap of what we've covered about symbols in JavaScript. Symbols are unique, immutable values that can be used as identifiers for object properties. They can be registered in the symbol registry for sharing across your application, and they can carry an optional description for identification. Symbols, with their uniqueness and immutability, offer a robust way of managing and identifying object properties in JavaScript. So that's all about symbols in JavaScript, a unique and immutable data type that can significantly enhance your coding efficiency and security. Remember, the symbol data type is your friend, and knowing how to use it effectively can be a game changer in your JavaScript programming journey. Happy coding!